Today, I'll show you how to insert citations in LibreOffice. Whether you're working on a research paper, an academic project, or any document that requires proper citation, LibreOffice has got you covered. It's a powerful tool that includes a simple and efficient way to manage citations, ensuring your work is both professional and compliant with academic standards. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily insert citations into your document. First things first, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you've downloaded the latest version from the LibreOffice website. Once you've opened LibreOffice, you'll see a variety of options. What we're interested in today is the writer document, so go ahead and click on that to open a new document. Now that you're in the writer document, the next step is to navigate to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Insert menu. Click on it. This menu houses a multitude of options, including the ability to insert images, charts, and most importantly for us, citations. Within the Insert drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Table of Contents and Index. Go ahead and click on it. This is where LibreOffice consolidates tools related to organizing your document structure, and it's where we'll find what we need to manage citations. After clicking Table of Contents and Index, you'll see a few more options. We're focusing on citation, so select that from the list. This action will open a new window where you can start managing your citations. In the citation window, you'll need to select your bibliography source. This is essentially the database or file from which LibreOffice will pull citation data. If you haven't set up a bibliography file yet, you might need to create one that includes all the references you plan to use in your document. Once you have your source ready, select it from the list. The next step involves choosing the short name for your citation. This is a concise reference that will appear in your document linking to the full citation in your bibliography. Selecting a short name is crucial for maintaining clarity and readability in your text, especially if you're citing multiple sources. Finally, with everything set up, all that's left to do is click Insert. This will place the citation directly into your document at the cursor's current position. And just like that, you've successfully inserted a citation in LibreOffice. Repeat these steps for each additional source you need to cite. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage citations in LibreOffice. This feature not only enhances the professionalism of your document, but also ensures you're abiding by the necessary citation guidelines. Remember, proper citation is key to maintaining academic integrity and giving credit where it's due. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your work with LibreOffice more efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy writing!